Hello guys, and welcome back into today's video. In this video, I strictly want to go over the stocks that I'm watching strictly for tomorrow and plays. So, leaning bearish on SPY, the whole market. We have a nice play on Boeing for a gap fill. Roblox puts if it breaks the support at open, and overall some other plays. AMD potential puts if we break this level, and NVDA. So definitely a lot of put plays because we're breaking, these major levels of support. So I'll be going, very, very in depth. This is going to be a very simple and short video. If you guys like content like this, make sure to leave a like. And overall, I actually wanted to go over the yield curve in this video, but I'm gonna leave this for another video. I definitely tell you guys, just please, in the link in the description, check this article out. Please read this, do some research over the weekend on the yield curve, because basically we have kind of like a warning signal today on it. So I'm not going to go over much about this, but overall, just check this article out. It is going to be very, very important for you guys, and I'm going to make a whole video on this later, hopefully over the weekend. So let's straight get into the technical analysis and the stocks that I'm watching for tomorrow. So for the SPY, we're mostly leaning bearish, as you guys know. Okay, if we take a look at my videos. Okay, on the weekly watch list, I went over that we were leaning very, very bearish because the market ran up, quite a bit. It ran up quite a bit, and we hit a major level of resistance. So taking a look at the SPY, we hit a resistance. Now my next support is 446, so I'm leaning into bearish on SPY. Price target 446. Not confident enough to grab puts on the SPY, but overall I think 446 is going to be a very, very nice play for calls. So I'm expecting a bounce at this area because this is a very, very nice area of support. So 446 is going to be a nice play if you want to swing over the weekend some SPY calls. Next is we have QQQ, also leaning bearish. It had an incredible run. We hit resistance. It needs to cool down, and my next price target is 353.61. So please chart these levels out on your chart. Boeing is going to be our main play for tomorrow. So let's close this out. So Boeing has a very, very nice setup for puts. So one thing to keep in mind is, stocks like airlines, American Airlines, CCL, they have been running very, very nicely. We played CCL. It was on our weekly watch list. But overall, these stocks are running very, very nicely. And the market, looks like it is trying to pull back. So looking at Boeing, it has a very, very nice play for puts. So right at open, if we start bear flagging, I'm going to be getting puts. So puts below 191.50. We break this in the 5-minute at open. We're dropping to 188.41. So for this play, you need to wake up at market open and watch this play, because at market open, it'll decide if it breaks this level of support. So overall, Boeing puts are looking very, very nice. Since tomorrow is Friday, probably get some lottos in. So this play looks very, very nice. Please chart these levels out. I'm definitely watching this tomorrow at market open for a play. The next play is Roblox. So Roblox puts, as I said, I was very, very bullish on Roblox, but now it is looking to break the support. It kind of closed below at the support today, but taking a look at the chart, below 46.24, we're going to 44.29. So Roblox is another good play. We're breaking this level of support, and our next support is 44.29. So all these plays are actually going to be pretty cheap, since tomorrow is expiration day Friday. So definitely looking at a lot of plays. So Roblox and Boeing are two of my favorite plays right at market open. AMD, I'm just kind of looking at semiconductors right now. We could see, it pulled back. We have a potential play for calls if it drops down to 102.23. But as you guys can see, it's sitting in at a level of support. If we break this level of support, we're going to 101.86. But I thought AMD had a pretty nice setup. If it does pull back, probably get some calls in, or even shares if you believe in the company for the long term. So NVIDIA is also one of a play where I'm watching it tomorrow right at open, because it's sitting at a level of support. it starts bear flagging at open, and this could be a very nice put play. Below 272.86, we're dropping to 264.74. So this is another great play. A lot of great plays just for tomorrow. A lot of them are just straight up puts, so please wake up at open, chart these levels, and again, you do you can create your own plays. Most of these stocks I don't usually alert. I usually stick to one play, but NVIDIA is setting up very nicely for another put play. Other than that, that is all really it. I was one day early with Apple puts. I had Apple puts, and we kind of paper handed it because it closed above that resistance. It kind of filled that gap, but overall, Apple is also kind of pulling back right now, and tomorrow it is going to be very interesting. Overall, hope you guys like this video. Wanted to keep this very short, chart out these levels, and I'll be posting the charts on Twitter. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow right at market open. I'll be on Discord. Bye.